Our review. So we're going to identify the correct solution or solutions, so meaning there could be more than one here, that will make the given inequality true. All right, so the first one we're going to take a look at, if n equaled 20, we'd have 8 plus 20. So 8 plus 20, is that greater than or equal to 9? So that equals 28. Yes, that's bigger than 9, so A is going to be one of our answers. Let's see. The next one, 30. So if we have 8 plus 30, is that greater than or equal to, is that greater than or equal to 9? That equals 38. Yes, it is. What if, so it's going to be also B. So what if we have this next one, 8 plus, or I'm sorry, yeah, 8 plus 45. So if we have 8 plus 45, we get 53. Is that greater than or equal to 9? Yes, it is. How about the next one? 8 plus 21. That is 29. Is that greater than or equal to 20, or greater than or equal to 9? Yes, it is. And last but not least, 8 plus 65. Is that, well, that equals 73. Is that greater than or equal to 9? Yes, it is. So, guess what we have here? All of them can be a solution. So, you are going to circle all of them. Or you could put one big circle on all of them. That's fine too. All right, let's take a look at over here. So, we have Sharon here. And Sharon reads a 300-page book. She read at a rate of 15 pages per day in D days. Write an equation to describe the given situation. So we're going to write an equation. So an equation has an equal sign. She read a 300-page book. That's going to be how many pages she read. And she read 15 pages per each day. So 15 pages each day. So then it'll be multiplied by that. So 15 times D. In D amount of days. So 15 pages times D is going to equal 300. Now we don't have to solve it. All we have to do is type that in. Let's look at the bottom one. Miss Lindy. Mrs. Lindy is purchasing notebooks for her students. She spends $52 on an N notebook. Each notebook costs $3.25. Write an equation to describe the given situation. So she spent $52, and that was $3.25 on N number of notebooks. So each notebook costed $3.25. So our answer, or our equation, is going to be 52 equals 3 and 25 hundredths N times N. That's going to be it for our review. Great job.